Jeez. Hi guys, Demon here. Today we're playing Rage Bait on Roblox. Hopefully this won't be too rage baited. I'm here with Peanut Man. That's him right there. I did it. This is part 1, chapter 1, phase 1. Ooh. Wait, how did I actually time that perfectly? Didn't even know it was gonna be there. What is this? Jump? Oh, ooh. Okay. Okay, that's just messed up. There we go. No, I'm leaving Peanut Man behind. Mean. Oh! She got that. Why should I? Why? Ooh, what are these spikes or something? I'm gonna guess they are. That almost tricked me. I'm like almost done with the beginning already. Oh, Peanut Man, it's not being nice. I keep falling. Jump. Ooh. Did I already beat it? At the beginning. Okay. What if we go this way? Okay. No. How did I survive that? Bro. Actually, what? Hey man, where are you at? Nah. Jump now. Yes! It's been a while at the beginning of this. Oh my god! I'm already on platforms. That is. What are you on? Guys, this video gets 10 likes. We'll do only up on Roblox. Stop. Oh my. Down at least. Peanut Man, turn it down. Come on. Yeah. Jump? I don't trust that. Oh, that actually wasn't. What is this? Oh. Like, why? Actually, why? No! He's dying. Oh wait, just cool. I genuinely don't know. Gotta walk in. Is this fake? Yeah. What the heck? No, wait, no. Why catch me out. I'm gonna jump. I did it. And here you're on platform level 2. I'm on platform level 6. No, don't do that one. Don't go that one. Okay. What do I do? What do I do? What the? Don't worry, guys. I already named the bill. What the? I think I have to stay on What? No, this is going into the video. That's your bad.